Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, Seriously True. Today we are going to discuss on a special topic that is alphabet, and we will try to figure out the origin of alphabets. Let's start it. When did the first alphabet appear? The origin and development of any language can be traced back to the rudimentary symbols the primitive people used in their verbal interaction. These symbols, when used over a long period, take an established pattern, thus giving rise to a new language. But the growth of a language does not stop at oral communication. A script for writing is also to be developed. But when did the first alphabet appear that enabled man to express himself in writing? In early days, people used pictures for writing, which we call pictography. The Stone Age people used this form in their writing. In pictography, a particular sign represents an object such as a tree or a bird, which in turn communicates a specific meaning or idea. Ideas could be communicated through pictures. Writing, in the sense that the picture of a bird might mean flying. The ancient Egyptians also used picture writing, but this form had its limitations. It required thousands of pictures, which were also called characters, to symbolize a few things. This drawback of pictography led to the discovery of signs that represented sounds used in verbal communication. These signs, representing different sounds, were grouped differently to form new words. But when did the sound signs first appear, which we now call alphabet? About 3,500 years ago, the Phoenicians in Eastern Mediterranean invented the first alphabet. Later, the Greeks and Romans developed their own alphabet, which were improvements of the Phoenician script. In fact, the word alphabet is derived from two words, that is alpha A and beta B, which were the first two letters in Greek alphabet. The appearance of alphabet made it easier to create thousands of words using a few alphabets. For example, there are only 26 letters in English alphabet, but just imagine how many words we make out of these 26 letters. Pictography lacked this advantage since one picture represented only one meaning or idea. Now, most of the languages in the civilized world have their own alphabet, but the number of letters in the alphabet and their pronunciation differ from language to language. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, press the like button, share the video, and do comment. Stay tuned and keep watching Seriously True. Thank you.